Hello students. So welcome back. Already in the previous video you have checked about the elementary operations of the matrices. I have shown there two examples, one with the row transformation, another one the column transformation. Both I have taken 2 by 2 matrices. Okay. Now here in this video I will show you by taking examples again, one of row transformation, another of column transformation, but it will be a 3 by 3 matrices. Okay, I hope you can understand. Okay. Now the next one I have taken one 3 by 3 matrices. Okay, same as it is. Okay, so here P equal to 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 1. Correct. Now we know what P equal to IP 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 1 equal to, as it is 3 by 3 matrix, so identity matrix will be also 3 by 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 P. Now what you will apply? Let us go with the row transformations. Okay, so applying 1, anyhow we have to make this one identity matrix. So applying which type of transformations we will apply? R2 prime, let us, R2 prime tends to R2 plus R1. So 1 2 minus 2 will be as it is. Here it will be 0, 3 plus 2 5, 0 minus 0 plus of minus 2 means minus 2, 0 minus 2 1. Here also 1 0 0, 0 plus 1 is 1 1 0 0 0 1 P. Look at here. Correct. Now which operations you will apply? Applying, already we have got, look at here, 1 here, 0 0 here, 1 here. Now if we do the operations with R2 plus 2R1, applying R2 R2 prime tends to R2 plus 2R1 or 2R3, then what we are getting? 1 2 minus 2, here 0 5, 2R3 means what? 2 2s are 4, so automatically here you will get 1, and minus 2 plus 2 into 1 means 0. Correct. Here no change, 0 minus 2 1. Similarly here also 1 0 0. So R2 plus 2 R3, this plus 2 R3, that means 1 1, 2 R3 means 2 0 0 1 P. So now this one we have to make 0, this one we have to make 0, this one we have to make 0. Okay, so what you will do? Apply once again, applying R1 prime tends to R1 minus 2R2. Okay, so what we are getting 1 0 minus 2, 0 1 0, 0 minus 2 1, and here same as it is, 1 minus 2 means minus 1, 0 minus 0 of minus 2 means minus 2, 0 of minus 4 means minus 4. Correct. And here no change, 1 1 2 0 0 1. Correct. Not yet completed. Let us apply over here. Applying Look at here, this much we have got. Now what we have to do, this one 0, this one 0, correct? So this one 0, let us make it out as R1 prime tends to R1 plus 2R3, correct? So here R1 plus 2R3. So if we go for that one, then automatically this one will be minus 4. No problem, make it. Then after here 0. And no change over here. 0, 1, 0. 0, minus 2, 1. And here also the same operations. Here I forgot to write P. The same operations if I conduct over here, then same operation, that is R1 plus 2 R3, R1 plus 2 R3. Then what we will get? Minus 1, minus 2 and minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. Just check it out. Okay. And then after no changes here, 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. And here P. Now next thing is that this plus this. So apply R1 prime tends to R1 plus 4R2. What you are getting? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, minus 2, 1 equal to, if I go the same operations over here, R1 plus 4R2, that means minus 1 plus 4 means minus 1 plus 4 means 3, minus 2 plus 4 means 2, minus 2 plus 8 means 6, 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, P. Now look at here, only you have to find, make it here, what? This much, okay? Now again applying, what we have to do, look at here, only we have to make it here 0, the remaining part is okay. So applying R3 prime, R3 plus 2R2, let us check, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, this will be what? 0, 0, 1 equal to 3, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2. So R3 plus 2 are 2, 2, 2. So 1 plus 2 2s are 4 means 5 P. So here I have got the identity matrix. So therefore I can write that P inverse equal to 3, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5. Okay students, so in this way we can go for the row transformations for 3 by 3 matrices. Okay, now another one maths I have taken, which is also 3 by 3 matrix, but this is column transformations. Okay, so here P equal to what? 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. Okay, so what we know P equal to Pi, as it is a column transformation. So 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3 equal to 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. Why I have written this one? No need. Over here, keep it P here and identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now applying column transformations, correct? So applying C1 prime tends to C1 plus C3. So that will be what? 2 plus C3. So 2 minus 1 means 1 here, 5 here, 3 here. 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 3. No change over here. That is equal to P. 1 plus 0 means 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Correct? Now, next is applying what? We have to make identity matrix over here. So 1, 0, already it is there. So now applying C3 prime, 10 over C3, let us do C3 prime equal tends to C3 plus C1. So 1, 5, 3, 0, 1, 1. This one will be 0, this one will be 5, this one will be 6. That is equal to P 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, here 1, here 0, here 2. Okay. Now this one we have got 1, 0, 0. This one is also 1. Now anyhow this one we have to make 0 and this one also 0. So after that again applying C1 prime, C1 minus C3. Just check it out. If I do this way, then what I will get? C1 means this one and C3 means this one. So 1 minus 0 will be 1, 5 minus 5 will be 0, 3 minus 6 will be minus 3. So here no change will come. Okay. P, here also C1 minus C3, that means 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 0, and 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2. Okay. So after this I am doing over there. So applying, look at here, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here we have to make it. So by applying C1, here I have applied C1 prime tends to C1 minus C3. So here C3 prime, C3 prime tends to C3 minus 5 C2. Then what we will get here? C3 prime. So C1 and C2 will be same as it is. So 1, 0, 1, 0 minus 3, 1, 0 minus 3 same as it is, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. So C3 prime will be what? C3 prime will be 0, 5, 6 is there. So 0, 0, 1 we will get P, and here also 0, 0 minus 1. Then after 0, 1, 0, and here ultimately we are getting C3 minus 5 C2. So we will get 1 minus 5 2. Okay. Again applying, what we have to do now? C1 prime, go for the C1. C1 prime tends to C1 plus 3C3. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, students, and here what we will get? 3. Okay, then after minus 15, then after 5, and here no change. Again applying. Now look at here, only this one will be, we have to make 0. So by applying C2 prime, C2 prime tends to C2 minus C3. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And this side what we are getting? This side will be 3 minus 15, 5. Okay. And here it will be minus 1, 6, and minus 2. And this one will be no change. Okay. So ultimately we are getting here identity matrix. So we can write, therefore P inverse will be what? 3 minus 1, 1, minus 15, 6, minus 5, 5, minus 2 and 2. Okay students? Correct.